Hello everyone, welcome to the 5th episode of PFF Genome Fit. Today, I'm going to talk about the most overlooked factor in your fitness journey. I'm pretty sure that most of the people giving you a diet plan would not even think of gut health. They follow a standard low-carb diet hoax. We all assume that calorie intake and negative energy balance determines whether you are fat or thin. However, you may be surprised to learn that gut bacteria, not calories, determine your body structure. Before we discuss further, let us throw some light on gut bacteria. Gut bacteria are microorganisms that live in the digestive tract of humans. They play important roles in the body, including communicating with immune systems and also produce certain vitamins. Gut bacteria also impacts how different foods are digested and produce certain chemicals that keep you full. Therefore, they play an important role in influencing your weight. The gut bacteria comes in contact with food you eat and thus impacts what nutrients you absorb and how energy is stored in your body. Folks who are obese have different gut bacteria than those who are non-obese. Obesity is also associated with low gut bacteria diversity, which essentially means that there were few types of bacteria in gut of obese folks. Trillions of bacteria and microorganisms live on your skin and body. There are more bacterial cells than human cells in your body. Different types of bacteria are found in your intestines. While some may cause disease, most of them perform various vital body functions to keep you healthy. Gut bacteria affect how body is digested. We all know, visceral fat generally comes from consuming too much of trans fat, is a type of fat which surrounds your organ and makes you carry weight in your middle. Of the various types of fat your body contains, visceral fat is most dangerous for your health. Type of gut bacteria you have in your body determines how much visceral fat you carry. Further, let us evaluate fiber. Human body cannot digest fiber, but some types of bacteria can. For folks having such bacteria in abundance can consume fiber effectively and produces type of chemicals that promote gut health and promote weight loss. The ratio of these two types of bacteria, Prevotella and Bacteroidetes, determine how much weight you lose given a particular diet. Prevotella digests more of fiber and carbohydrates while Bacteroidetes digests more of animal protein and fat. Higher the Prevotella bacteria, the more higher is the incidence of fat/weight loss. Besides, gut bacteria influence how dietary fats are absorbed, which affect how fats are stored in the body. Intake of minerals and nutrients, not energy/calorie consumption, impacts our weight management strategy. Minerals and vegetable fiber work to grow healthy strains of gut bacteria that improve your insulin sensitivity and metabolism, hence leading to faster fat burn. Gut impacts inflammation. Inflammation can be caused by an unhealthy diet. For instance, having high amount of fat, sugar and refined/processed food items can lead to inflammatory chemicals in the bloodstream and fat tissue. It usually happens when your body activates your immune system to fight against infection. Gut bacteria plays an important role in inflammation. Some bacteria/species produce chemicals such as lipopolysaccharide LPs when they pass through blood. This results in weight gain. However, some species of intestinal bacteria may reduce inflammation and prevent weight gain. Bifidobacteria and Akkermansia are beneficial species of bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut barrier and prevent inflammatory chemicals from entering into the bloodstream. Gut bacteria produces chemicals that makes you feel full. Your body produces various hormones that impact your appetite, such as leptin. Gut bacteria impacts how much of these hormones are produced and whether you are hungry or full. Short-term fatty acids are chemicals which are produced when your gut bacteria breaks down fiber. One of these is called propionate. People who consume propionate regularly witness changes in their hunger level. Some people also experience reduced food intake and reduced weight gain. Besides, consuming probiotics can help you control your hunger level, since it contains certain compounds that are fermented by gut bacteria. So, Now you can easily figure out how much gut bacteria plays a significant role. However, I'm going to tell you another interesting fact, that gut health is the root of almost all diseases. When you consume food, your digestive tract comes into action that breaks down your food and nutrients are absorbed. Your digestive system acts as a protective zone for your body. The intestinal walls acts as a barrier that controls what enters into your bloodstream to be transported to your organs. Intestinal walls have tight junctions, which allows water and nutrients to pass through them and enter the bloodstream, thereby allowing your body to absorb nutrients. These tight junctions prevents harmful substances and toxins from entering your bloodstream. However, when these tight junctions become loose, the gut becomes more permeable, that allows bacteria and toxins to pass through the bloodstream. This is called leaky gut. When this happens and all toxic substances enter the bloodstream, which causes inflammation and triggers response from immune system. Some symptoms of leaky gut syndrome include digestive issues, bloating, skin problems, fatigue and food insensitivities. These are possible causes of medical conditions such as migraine, autism, brain disorders, thyroid abnormalities and mood swings. So what causes leaky gut? A protein called zonulin, when activated, can lead to leaky gut. Bacteria in intestine and gluten, a protein found in wheat and other grains, are said to be two possible factors for release of zonulin. In some cases, such as people with irritable bowel syndrome and celiac disease, gluten increases intestinal permeability, leading to leaky gut. Some of the other factors that causes leaky gut include high sugar intake, particularly through fructose, harms the barrier created by intestinal wall. Excessive alcohol intake may increase intestinal permeability. Vitamin A and vitamin D deficiency has been a reason for causing increase in intestinal permeability. Inflammation through the body can cause leaky gut. Chronic stress is the reason for a lot of gastrointestinal diseases, including leaky gut. Yeast is said to found in the gut, however overgrowth of yeast may lead to leaky gut. So what diseases are associated with leaky gut? Celiac disease. This is an autoimmune disease which is characterized by sensitivity to gluten. Intestinal permeability is said to be high with those suffering from celiac disease. Diabetes, it is nothing but destruction of autoimmune insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. This is often caused by an influx of foreign substances coming through leaky gut. Crohn's disease, this is generally caused by inflammation of the intestinal tract, which is a result of increase in intestinal permeability. Irritable bowel syndrome, this is caused majorly due to constipation and diarrhea and is said to primary reason for increase in intestinal permeability. Food allergies, a leaky gut allows food protein to cross intestinal tract, trigger an immune response. Such an action causes food allergy. I'm now going to suggest you some of the preferred foods, good for gut bacteria. These include whole grains. Unrefined grains are high in fiber, which are digested by healthy bacteria. This assists in weight loss. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contains a lot of fiber, which aids in healthy gut bacteria. Some specific plant-based foods can improve gut bacteria diversity. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in fiber and contains healthy fats, which further supports growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. Polyphenol-rich foods, these include dark chocolate, green tea and red wine. Polyphenols in these foods can't be digested alone, but are broken down by beneficial gut bacteria, which aids in the growth of good bacteria. Fermented foods. Foods such as yogurt, kombucha and kefir contain bacteria such as lactobacilli, which minimize disease-causing bacteria in intestines. That's all for now. We'll be back again with an exciting episode. See ya.